I'm Glenn with Performance Diamond Products, and we're here at Ace Brick, and I wanted to show you a couple of products that are unique and to the industry. And what we try and do is develop products with some unique features, basically to give more speed, more life, give the contractor an advantage on the job that other products may not give them. I'll give you one example here. We call this the Razorback. Okay, a very thin precision cutting tile blade. If you were to compare this to another blade, it's it's about half as thick as most blades. Designed for precision cutting on porcelain, granite, marble, any kind of hard material, but typically 2 to 3 times faster than your traditional blades. 10-inch design, 10-inch diameter. So for a 10-inch tile saw, for cutting porcelain tile, granite, and again, very fast, clean cutting. The ridges give it speed, but don't chip the tile because it's very thin. There's a traditional tile blade, if you look at the same thickness. But anytime a contractor can save 20, 30% or get the job done much faster, it's important. So that gives them a large advantage. We also have glass tile blades, 4-inch to 10-inch diameter. So 4, 5, 7, 8, and 10 inch. And these are specifically designed for cutting glass tiles only. Much finer matrix, really thin, fine diamond, very high grade. Only designed for glass tile, but for chip-free cuts on glass tile. All right, this is new at Ace also. We have for stone and granite, the Titan Turbo, designed for cutting slabs, very fast, quick. It's got extra large diamond segments here, designed to free up the cuts on thicker, harder material. And again, designed to give more speed and life. Here we have an array of masonry blades for concrete, masonry, and stone. And you'll see different types of mechanical designs. What we try and do is, again, give an advantage by using mechanical means. In this case, for example, grab one of these. The different holes here are designed for increased airflow, which allows the blade to actually breathe while it's spinning. You can actually see through the blade. All right, it keeps the blade cool because blades tend to get hot when they're under stress and under typical cutting conditions, especially when cutting dry. So what we do is we keep the blade cool. We have a series of gullets here designed to free up the cutting speed, allow it to cut faster, and then extra large segments designed to give it more life. And different designs, a smooth segment and an alternating turbo segment. What that does is just frees it up for cutting on harder materials and helps take care of steel, reinforced material. So again, an advantage over traditional blades. Much faster because the large segment's longer life. And you'll see a few different designs just designed for different types of material. We have our XtraCut line, which is designed to give the contractors an advantage on a good price point, but also still give them the quality and the longevity that they're looking for. This day and age, with the economy being what it is, people are looking for cost-effective tools, but still want the quality. What we've done is we've created a line with high quality, still gives them the life, and the price is very good. And to meet another demand in the market, we've created some custom tools designed. We call it the Bulldog MBA grinding tools. They're designed for grinding and cutting. What we've done is we've pioneered a method of attaching diamond to the metal. It does not come off, which normally the diamonds do not last very long when they're adhered to metal without a matrix. Normally diamonds are embedded on a blade in a matrix to hold the diamonds in place and release them at a certain time. Here they're actually just adhered. But we found a way to keep them on. And what happens is you get 10 times the speed of work of a traditional diamond tool. And we've done different shapes for different types of applications. This is one that has been actually used to the point of really not being useful anymore. It doesn't grind anymore, but you can see the diamonds are still there. So we've been able to find a way to retain them, and that's really important with diamond tools. If you can keep the diamonds, you can get a lot more usage, a lot more life. And so the speed of work, 10 times faster than a traditional tool. A little more expensive, but obviously the lifetime value is a big savings. And we've made different types of tools with that same process. Specialized coring bits with water feed attachments. So you put it on a high-speed drill, you can control your water flow, basically attach it to a garden hose. And we can then put different size bits on here. This is a 1 inch, about a 2 1/4 inch. And also one last item here for drilling holes in tile. This is designed, same type of design. Little portable water tank. Attach this into a high-speed drill, and that's the new bit right here. And basically this one's been used. You can get much faster penetration speeds for drilling holes in, for example, tile for hanging shower doors, soap dishes, things of that nature. Typically 1 bit per hole is an average lifespan for a bit bought at one of your stores. What we've done is we've been able to get 30 to 50 holes per bit and much faster speeds. And we shoot a little water up the center of the bit. There's a little hole right there in the center. And quick change design. This just literally pops out for replacement. And again, a very efficient tool. Something that's not available anywhere else. So another product available at Ace and Performance Diamond is the XtraCut product line that you see here on the display. Small diameter blades designed for concrete, brick, and stone. Different configurations, the segmented style, the turbo segmented style, and the standard turbo, what we call it, continuous. I'd like to draw your attention to the bullnose router bits. Okay, these are designed for putting a bullnose or profiled edge on a piece of stone, granite, slab, tile that's already in place. So they can simply attach this to a grinder, 5/8 11 thread, so any standard handheld grinder can be run wet or dry, and it could be run right along an edge. If this was to be bullnosed, you'd run this right along here. There is a bearing that will run along the material, and it would create a bullnose edge on this piece of stone. Different shapes available, different thicknesses. So we have here 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1 inch, and a very useful tool, very handy for the tile contractor and also the fabricator as well.